I bought the Synology DS223J in 2023. So let's see how good it is. So Synology, for those of you who doesn't know, it's a NAS company. So what that means, they're making mini computers, let's call it like this, that you can plug in hard drives inside of them, either external hard drive or literally like hard drive for the computer, and then you will have your own server. So you will have your own version of Google Drive or Google Photos or OneDrive literally in your house. Now there's good things about it, there's also bad things, but mostly good things. Now the bad things that I will say is that security, it's up to you, so you'll have to configure it and make it secure. Now security, it's a hit and miss as a bad thing, because you know Google can also get hacked and stuff like that, so you know, hit and miss. But then the good thing about it is that all of your things now belongs to you. They are on your server, so you're secure. Nobody is touching them, nobody is using them, nothing. Now Synology, this is the company that I went with, has some pretty amazing application. It has Synology Photo that it will back up my pictures from my phone automatically, something like Google Photos. It has the Synology DS file, which you can access your files from all over the world if you want to. Now if you don't want the server to become worldwide and you just prefer to have it in your house, you can actually do things like this, that's fine. But then mine, what I mainly use at the moment, is back up my pictures from my phone, keeping my server Plex, and accessing my files when I need. That's literally what I use it for. And for these things, I saw a lot of reviews that saying that especially for Plex is not a good thing, you know, it's not that good, you know, you'll have problems, you cannot stream, it's slowing down, and I can tell you right now, I have zero problems with it. So on my server, there are 3 people connected, and literally all of us, they were watching different movies on using the Synology with Plex, and none of us have any problems with it. All of them, they will stream in 1080p. If you want to stream 4K, then yes, this one will be limited to only one device. But 4K, there's no problem on it. And yeah, let me show you how it's working. So if the camera quality is not the best one, I do apologize for it. Unfortunately, I don't have a webcam or a way to record myself while in front of the computer, so I have to use my webcam from my laptop. But this is how the Synology will boot. Here you will have a widget which will tell you all the notifications like your IP address, your server name, and upload and download speed. But unfortunately, IP addresses are, you know, don't leak them, so that's why I made it disappear. So once you go to Package Center here you will have all the application that you can install on this server. So you will scroll down here and you will get File Station, which is so you can see your files. AXFAT, this is so you can install external hard drive using Microsoft extension. So then I can unplug my hard drive from there and I can plug it to my computer and stuff like this. You have Download Station, so then like this you can download things from the internet, so you don't have to use a computer to download and transfer it to the cloud, well, to the server. Like this you can just download them. You have DNS server or cloud sync, so you can sync things over the cloud and stuff like this. No Station, but No Station for some reason doesn't work anymore. So No Station is like a notes app that you have in your phone, and whatever you write there, it will sync with your cloud. But on Android, the app is not available anymore, so I can't say for iPhone because I don't use it. Hyper Backup Vault, so a lot of stuff. But what I use it the most is File Station, which I also have on my phone. I'll show you guys a video with my phone soon. Okay, here Audio Station, which I use it to stream my music, and I use Plex. Then the rest of them here I can show you because there are more apps that Synology supports, but this device doesn't support all of them. So here you will see an idea, you'll have an idea, I'm sorry, about what application you will have available and then what you can and you can't install on this thing. Now the good thing about it is that you can literally install application manually, so you can download them from the internet and then manually install it. But here you go, Video Station, but I use Plex. Container Manager, this is very important because Plex is not available here, so you'll have to install Plex using Container Manager, and that's it, this is all you get. So using Container Manager you manage to install Plex on this device. Here we go, here you will see again your application, so this is like the menu bar, you open it, and Synology Photos, it's Google Photos, let's call it like this, so you'll have all the pictures, everything is saved there. Let's open container manager. And here you go to container. This is the Linux server for Plex that is running at the moment. So this one is the Plex that I have. If you go to images, again, you will see all the images that you created and everything. Or if you go to registry, here you will have every single application that you can download and install on this server. Another thing that you can do, you can go here and you can add the community package, which I actually did. So here you will find applications from the community that you can install into your server. The other thing that I want to tell you guys is that Synology comes with VPN as well, so you can install and run a VPN on your own server, so like this you feel more secure. Now when it comes to using it as a Windows, so if we open files, here you'll find everything, right? So if you check here on the quick search, I actually put server home here. So I just click on it, you wait a couple of seconds, and then boom, I'm connected to my own server. So how you can see here, I have files. So this one is because I use this one for an Apple device once, for MacBook. So if I go here, this is the key store that I had. Key store is more security for your hard drive. So how you can see here, I have movies, I have stuff, and I have Epic Store game. Now I have Epic Store game because this one, it was connected in the previous time to my gaming PC, so that's why this one was not here. But how you can see, I have access to everything. Now if I want to copy something, for example, I want to copy this shortcut here, I can just go back and I can paste it. And that's it. How you can see, everything there was successfully complete. So this is how you move stuff between your server and everything with Windows. With Android or iPhone, you actually have applications for this. So you have an application to back up all your data, you have an application to back up all your pictures, you have an application for every single thing. So Synology, I have to admit, they literally went above and beyond for the application, and that's the reason I went with them. Now the one that I have, it has a 2-bay server, so that means you can put maximum 2 hard drives. So when you buy one, make sure that you're buying sufficient space, otherwise you won't have too much, so you can just add. What I did, I have 1 terabyte hard drive and then 2 external hard drives. So one of the external hard drive is 5 terabytes and the other one is 2 terabytes. You can actually plug them in the back of the device, and then like this it will work properly. So yeah, so for example, if I go here on the computer and I just open Chrome, and here I will type Plex, I'll just open Plex. So I was watching Avengers Endgame, so let's start from beginning. And how you can see, the movie, it's already playing. This is just the intro that you will see here. So everything works perfectly. So now that you have a phone, if I go here and I just type DS, then DS is all the applications that you can use from Synology that I have installed at the moment. So you can stream your music like Spotify, you can watch movies, you can use your own, but I'm using Plex, I find it much better, or I can access my files. So the moment I access my files, here it will literally say boom, and now these are my files. So how you can see here, I have USB and then the normal storage. So you can actually put USB storage on it and have it like this. Now here, how you can see, this one is nothing. Here I have my music, I have TV shows here. And in this hard drive, I have movies and I got stuff. Stuff are literally like games for emulators and everything. So you can do every single thing from here. You can move files from your phone to the server or from the server to your phone. So yeah, it's pretty amazing, you know. Now let me show you Plex. Now with Plex, I press resume. Literally this is running on the Synology, and how you can see, this works perfectly with no problem. This little device deserves all the money in the world. So if you want my personal opinion, I will buy it. For your first NAS, you will be more than happy with it. So yeah, if you have any questions, let me know in the comments below. I will more than happy answer them. If I didn't test some of the things that you want me to answer, then I will test it, and I promise I will answer as soon as possible. So yeah, thank you very much for watching guys, and I'll see you guys next one.